Today's video is about Lorikeet bird facts, characteristics, behavior, diet, reproduction, and species types. Lorikeets are a colorful and charismatic group of parrots belonging to the subfamily Lorinae. Here's detailed information and interesting facts about Lorikeet birds. Physical characteristics. Vibrant plumage. Lorikeets are known for their stunning and vibrant plumage, which comes in a variety of colors including green, blue, red, yellow, and orange. Specialized tongue. They have a unique brush-like tongue adapted for feeding on nectar and pollen from flowers. Size. Lorikeets vary in size depending on the species, with some smaller species measuring around 6 to 7 inches 15 to 18 centimeters in length, while larger species can reach up to 12 to 15 inches 30 to 38 centimeters. Long tail. Many Lorikeet species have long, slender tails, which help them maneuver through dense vegetation in their natural habitat. Habitat and distribution. Native range. Lorikeets are native to various regions of Australia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and the Pacific Islands. Habitat. They inhabit a range of habitats including forests, woodlands, mangroves, and coastal regions, with some species also found in urban areas. Behavior and diet. Nectar feeders. Lorikeets primarily feed on nectar, pollen, fruits, flowers, and seeds. Their specialized tongues allow them to extract nectar from flowers efficiently. Social creatures. Lorikeets are highly social birds and often gather in large flocks, especially during feeding and roosting. Playful nature. They are known for their playful and curious behavior, engaging in acrobatic flight patterns and vocalizing loudly. Social interaction. Lorikeets are highly social birds and thrive on interaction with other members of their flock. They engage in games of chase, tag, and hide-and-seek, fostering social bonds and strengthening relationships within the group. Mimicry. Some Lorikeet species, such as the rainbow lorikeet, are known for their ability to mimic sounds and vocalizations. They may mimic human speech, whistles, or other sounds they hear in their environment, adding an element of playfulness to their interactions with humans and other birds. Lorikeets exhibit a wide range of playful behaviors that reflect their active and sociable nature, providing opportunities for play and enrichment is essential for their physical and mental well-being, whether in their natural habitat or as companion birds in captivity. Bonding. Lorikeets form strong pair bonds with their mates and engage in mutual grooming and preening to maintain social bonds within the flock. Acrobatic flight. Lorikeets are highly agile flyers and often engage in acrobatic flight maneuvers such as loops, dives, and twists. They enjoy darting through the air, chasing each other, and performing aerial displays, especially during courtship or social interactions within the flock. Reproduction. Nesting. Lorikeets typically nest in tree hollows or cavities, where the female lays a clutch of eggs. Incubation. Both the male and female share incubation duties, taking turns to keep the eggs warm until they hatch. Parental care. Once the chicks hatch, both parents participate in feeding and caring for the young, regurgitating food to feed them until they fledge. Conservation status. Threats. Lorikeets face threats from habitat loss, deforestation, illegal pet trade, and predation by introduced species. Conservation efforts. Several Lorikeet species are listed as threatened or endangered, prompting conservation organizations and governments to implement measures to protect their natural habitats and prevent further decline in populations. Popular species. Rainbow lorikeet. one of the most recognizable and widespread species, known for its stunning rainbow-colored plumage and lively personality. Scaly-breasted lorikeet, characterized by its distinctive scaled plumage pattern and gentle temperament. Red lory, recognized for its striking red plumage and playful nature, often kept as a pet in aviculture. Lorikeets captivate bird enthusiasts with their beauty, intelligence, and engaging personalities, making them popular subjects for birdwatching and aviculture. However, it's important to remember that lorikeets require specialized care and attention, particularly in captivity, to ensure their health and well-being.
بس خلي شي پته ولګي